Hello guys, so this is Sakshi Singh and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to make this. You can use this as a diary for yourself or as a sketchbook. These are so cute. So stay tuned and watch the full video without skipping it. Just watch my video and enjoy.
Echoes collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm so.
I hope you enjoyed watching my video. So these are the cuties of this video and I will be using it as a diary for myself, and it is big in size, so I will use it as sketchbook. Make one for yourself or you can gift it to someone special. This is really cute, I think so. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the next upcoming video. Till then, bye bye.